Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up Bluetooth in a Jeep Patriot. Begin by turning the ignition to accessory, enable Bluetooth on the head unit, and open the Uconnect phone menu to add a device. Next, make the radio discoverable and use your phone to search for the vehicle name shown on screen. Confirm the PIN if prompted, allow contacts access, and test audio and calling to confirm a successful connection. Start by unlocking your phone and turning on Bluetooth, then remove any previous vehicle pairings that might cause conflicts. On the Patriot head unit, clear old devices or reset Bluetooth if the list is full. Try pairing one device at a time and confirm the PIN match on both screens. If you encounter errors, power cycle the phone and the vehicle radio, then repeat the add device steps and test hands-free calling after pairing completes. After pairing, make sure phone audio and phonebook sync are enabled so contacts and calls work correctly. Select Bluetooth as the audio source for music apps and test streaming to verify stable playback. While a call is active, adjust the in-car volume to balance speech clarity with background audio. Also check microphone performance by making a short test call and repositioning the sun visor or headrest if callers report muffled sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.